Hello YouTube friends, I have a dead battery in my vehicle, so I'm going to take the opportunity to try out this EverStart Plus Jump Starter that I bought from Walmart for about 40 or 50 bucks. And I'm going to show you also how to test the battery using this multimeter right here that I bought from Harbor Freight for about 5 bucks. I'll do that right now. Let's take a closer look at the EverStart Plus Jump Starter right here and its features. Main feature is being able to jump the battery on your vehicle. We have a USB port right here if you should have to charge your phone or computer. It has an emergency light in case you have a flat tire on the side of the road. I'll show you all these features at the end of this video after we get the battery jumped. And it also has an air compressor, so if you have a flat tire, and I'll show you that also at the end of the video. And here are your jumper cables right here, and we are going to get to jumping my battery hopefully right now. Okay, whenever you have a battery issue, it's always good to test the battery to see where you're at. So what I'm using is a multimeter by Centec. I picked it up at Harbor Freight for about 5 bucks. And these are really easy to use. Anybody could use them. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the black lead into where it says COM. That's common. So I'm going to plug the black lead in just like that. And then I'm going to take the red lead, and where you see it says V right there, I'm going to plug the red lead in. Okay, now a car battery should be about 12.6 volts. So if it's at 12.6 volts that I want to test for, we're going to set the meter to 20 on the volt side right there. Okay, and now we're going to test the battery. Okay, so now we're ready to test the battery. First we have to turn the multimeter on. And you have to identify the posts on the battery. So the one over there is the positive, and over here is the negative. And you could identify that with the negative sign over here and the positive sign over there. So my arm's going to be in the way, so I'm just going to wedge it in like that. So you can see the numbers going up. So the number that came up is 10.42, and we know the battery is no good. So we're going to charge it right now and see how that jump starter works. Okay, now before I jump start it, I want to get this corrosion off over here. I'm just going to use a wire brush to knock that off. Okay, the cables on the jump starter aren't that long enough to use in an emergency. I guess they're about a foot and a half. And we're going to take the red one, which is the positive, and we are going to clamp that down on the positive post of the battery. And I'm going to take the negative, I'm going to lock it in on the frame of the vehicle, which is metal. And now we're set to go. We have the green light, the indicator. It shows you have it connected, right? So now we're going to turn this knob all the way to the right to the on position. And now we're going to see in real time, live, it's exciting, if the car will jump. Let's see. First time it didn't work. Yeah. Try it again. Give it a couple more seconds, see if we can get it to jump. Okay, so I gave it a couple of minutes. We're going to try it again. Hopefully that'll do the trick. Come on, honey. Start for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bingo! We have it. And now I got the van started. I'm going to disconnect the battery. You have to turn it off first, which I did, and then reverse order. You want to take the negative off first. And then you want to take the positive off. Okay, now that the EverStart did a good job at jumping my vehicle, let's take a look at some of the other features. Right here we have a USB port. If you want to plug a phone in there, you can charge it up. And we have a test light. We can see that the battery is fully charged when it's green. And you can see it's lit up as a work light if you need it. And if you're on the road in an emergency, flashes like that. What I also like about this is this little unit here has an air compressor in it. So if you need to put air in a tire, or you want to fill up a football or basketball, you could do that. And here is the air hose right there. And I'll show you how to use that right now. Alright, so to use the air compressor, take the hose and you hook it up to whatever you're filling. In this case I'm doing a tire on a hand truck. And once you have it attached, you push that black latch down, locks it in place, right? And then you just turn the compressor on. And we're all filled up, so that worked out pretty good. To take it off, you lift the latch, and it comes right out. Okay, per the instructions, charge the internal battery immediately after purchase, after every use, and after every 30 days. Okay, so to charge the battery, we turn it around. We pull this little plug out like that, and it comes with the charging plug. And this just goes into your wall outlet. You plug it into the wall, and now you'll see that it's charging. Okay, so that's my review of the EverStart Plus Jump Starter. Worked for me. I think I'm going to go get another one for my other vehicle and check it out.